Okay, if you want to see what you get with this phone, here we go. Never heard of this brand, but as long as it works, who cares? Now I got this through Bell, through Staples. So if you're looking for a phone, you might want to go there. I was quite happy with what I got. Got a bit of a flat surface, I like that. Looks like there's a slot to put, I don't know if that's an SD card or the SIM card. I guess I will find out. Volume, power. There's a button here apparently that dims it at night so you can look at things without your eyes getting hurt. Well, I like when things come with manuals. That's nice. It's French. Safety and precautions. Oh, what's that about? Don't worry about that. Now this was funny. When the clerk showed me one of these phones, I saw that it came with one of these, and she said that the higher end phones come with less accessories. So I'm like, oh, thanks for reminding me this isn't a high end phone, but I guess it does the trick. So there you go. It's a phone. It takes calls, it sends texts, it does pictures. What more can you want from a phone? I think the phone is $400 to buy if you want to buy it outright. I got it through some plan. That's probably how you'd get it too. That's the cheapest route. I have no idea what this camera is all about. That looks very weird. It almost looks like you could spin it off. I assume I will have fun trying to find a case for this, but that's the way it goes. There you go. Okay, as an addendum, I was curious. This is a micro SD card slot and combined SIM card slot, so you can put extra stuff in there. Now you know, and I know too.